See, there might be some basic confusion while using the notations here. So just to make sure that we eliminate that, I've assumed the smaller force to be F1. Okay, small mistake here. It should not be magnitude. I've assumed the smaller force to be F1 and the larger force to be F2. Okay, so two forces F1 and F2 are acting on a body, F1 and F2. One has a magnitude thrice that of the other. Magnitude. So magnitude of vector F2 is equal to 3 times the magnitude of vector F1. Now, if I assume magnitude of vector F1 as F, then what is magnitude of F2? 3 times magnitude of F1, which is F, therefore 3F. Hope that makes sense? Yeah. Now, the resultant vector, the second half says, the resultant of the two forces is equal to the force of the larger magnitude. Resultant of two forces F1 and F2 is equal to force of the larger magnitude. The larger magnitude is F2. So basically the question says that resultant is actually equal to the the larger vector itself. R is equal to F2. In which case, what is magnitude of R is equal to magnitude of F2? Let me just write that out of here. So we have magnitude of R, therefore will be equal to magnitude of F2, magnitude of vector F2. What is magnitude of vector F2? It is F2. So magnitude of R is equal to F2, but what is F2? To add more clarity, maybe I should write it like this. So magnitude of F2, magnitude of vector F2 is equal to F2, which is equal to 3 times F. Similarly, magnitude of vector R is also equal to magnitude of vector F2, which is equal to, again, F2, which gives us 3 times F. Okay. Now, when we plug in these values, we have magnitude of R is equal to F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos theta. F1 is F here, F2 is 3F, R is also 3F. Magnitude of R is also 3F. Now, 3F the whole square is 9F square. 2 into 3 is 6. F into F is F squared. So we have F squared plus 9F squared, which is 10F squared, plus 6F squared times cos theta equal to 3F. Now, squaring on both sides, right? Squaring on both sides, what do we get? 3F the whole square, which is 9F squared, is 10F squared plus 6F squared into cos theta. 9F squared minus 10F squared is minus F squared is equal to 6F squared cos theta. Now, F squared upon F squared is 1. So, minus 1 by 6 is equal to cos theta, which implies cos inverse minus 1 by 6 is equal to cos inverse cos theta. Sorry, I skipped a minus here. Now, cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, and therefore, cos theta is equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 6. Now, given in the question that the angle between vectors F1 and F2 is cos inverse minus cos inverse 1 by n. 1 by n. The value of magnitude of n. So, magnitude of n here will be equal to, since it is magnitude, it will be equal to 6. Okay.